In this video, I will show you how to create a website and start selling products online in a very easy way. We are not going to complicate this tutorial. We only need one main platform, and that is Hostinger. First, we are going to sign in. Then, we are going to choose what type of products or services we want to sell. For this example, I am going to create a website to sell gaming products, like gaming keyboards, gaming mice, headsets, controllers, gaming chairs, monitors, accessories, and PC setup gear. And because we want to sell quality products, we need a website that looks professional, clean, and trustworthy. The name of my website will be Gradum Proximum. That means next level in Latin. I like this name because the idea of the store is to help gamers take their setup to the next level. For this tutorial, I will use Hostinger, WordPress, and the AI website builder, so we can create the website faster and easier. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to try it. So let's start. Step 1. Create the website with Hostinger AI. Now here comes the easiest part. We are going to create the first version of the website using AI. First, we go inside Hostinger, then we choose to create a new website. After that, we select WordPress because WordPress helps us create professional websites with good quality. Then we choose that we want to create an online store because our goal is to sell products. Now, we need to give the AI a clear prompt. This is very important because the better the prompt is, the better the website will look. For my website, I will use this prompt. Create a professional e-commerce website for a US-based gaming product store called Gradum Proximum. The website should look modern, premium, and trustworthy, with a high-quality gaming style. The store will sell gaming products such as gaming keyboards, gaming mice, headsets, controllers, gaming chairs, monitors, accessories, and PC setup gear. Design the website with a clean, dark theme, futuristic gaming colors, strong product sections, and clear call-to-action buttons like Shop Now, View Products, and Buy Now. Include a home page with a powerful hero section, featured gaming products, best sellers, product categories, About Us section, customer reviews, shipping information for USA customers, contact page, FAQ section, secure checkout, and trust badges. The website should feel professional, reliable, fast, and easy to use. Make it perfect for customers in the United States who want quality gaming products and accessories. Now we let the AI create the website. And this is the game changer. Instead of starting from zero, the AI creates the first version of the website for us. When I saw the website generated, I literally felt like the hard part was already done. Here's what most people don't know. If you give the AI a simple prompt, you get a simple website. But if you give the AI a clear prompt with the name, products, style, pages, and customer type, the result looks much more professional. Now that the website is created, let's go to the next step and check the design. Step 2. Check and prepare the website design. Now here comes my favorite part. The AI already created the website, but now we need to check it and make sure everything looks good for our store. When we open the website, we want to see if it looks clean, modern, and easy to understand. Since this is a gaming store, the website should have a strong gaming style, but it should not look messy. It should still feel professional and trustworthy. On the homepage, we can have a strong title like Upgrade Your Gaming Setup or Gaming Gear for Your Next Level Setup. Then we need clear buttons like Shop Now, View Products, and Buy Now. These buttons are simple, but they are really important because they tell visitors what to do next. When someone enters your website, they should not feel lost. They should know where to click right away. After that, we check the product categories. For a gaming store, we can use categories like gaming keyboards, gaming mice, headsets, controllers, gaming chairs, monitors, and accessories. This makes the website easier to use because customers can quickly find the product they want. Then we check the reviews section. Even if you are just starting and you don't have real reviews yet, you can prepare that area and add real customer feedback later. Then we check the shipping section. Because this store is for customers in the United States, we can add simple information about shipping, delivery, and support. Now here's what most people don't know. Your website does not need to be perfect at the beginning. It just needs to be clear, professional, and easy to use. Many beginners spend too much time changing small details like colors, spacing, or images, and then they never finish the website. So don't get stuck. Start simple. Make sure your website has important pages, clear buttons, product sections, categories, contact information, and a clean professional look. Then you can improve everything step by step. I'm totally obsessed with this part because you can make the website look better without needing to code. You can change text, images, sections, buttons, and colors directly inside WordPress. And now that our website looks ready, we need to add something very important. We need to add our first product. Step 3. Add your first product to the store. Now here comes the most powerful part. This is where the website starts becoming a real online store. First, we go to the WordPress dashboard, then we go to the section that says Products. After that, we click Add Product. Here we are going to add the product name, description, image, and price. For this example, I'm going to sell one gamer kit. The product name will be Kit Gamer, Iter Insipere. That means Kit Gamer to start the journey. I like this name because it feels unique, clean, and premium. Then we add the product description. The description will say, everything an explorer needs to get started. This keeps the message simple and clear because people should understand the product fast. After that, we add the product image. This is super important because people want to see what they are buying. A clean product image makes the store look more professional and trustworthy. Then we add the price. You can choose the price based on your product, your cost, and your business idea. You can also add a sale price if you want to show that the product had one price before and now has a better price. Then we choose the product category. For example, this product can go inside gaming accessories or gaming kits. Categories help customers find products faster and make your store feel more organized. After that, we click Publish. Now the product is live on the website. We can go to the main page or the shop page and check how it looks. The product should appear with the title, image, price, and button to add it to the cart. And this is the moment where everything starts to connect. The website is created, the store pages are ready, the product is published. Now visitors can open the product, see the details, add it to the cart, and start the checkout process. Here's what most people don't know. Your first product does not need to be perfect. What matters is that it has a clear name, a clean image, a simple description, a price, and the correct category. Later, you can add better photos, more products, more details, and more categories. But for now, the goal is to finish the first version of the store. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to try it. And honestly, this is why using Hostinger with WordPress is a game changer for beginners. You can create the website, customize the pages, and add products in one place without making the process too hard. So now you know how to create a website and start selling products online in 3 simple steps. Step 1. We created the website with Hostinger AI. Step 2. We checked and prepared the website design inside WordPress. Step 3. We added our first product to the store. And the best part is that we did this without coding and without making the process complicated. If you hired someone to build a professional online store, it could cost a lot. And if you tried to learn everything from zero by yourself, it could take weeks or even months. But with Hostinger AI and WordPress, you can start much faster and create something clean, professional, and ready to grow. And if you're thinking, I don't know how to design, I don't know how to code, or what if my website doesn't look perfect, don't worry. Every beginner starts there. The important thing is to start simple. Choose your idea, create your website, add your first product, and improve everything step by step. This gaming store example shows how one simple idea can become a real online store. And you can use this same process for many types of products like gaming gear, clothes, accessories, digital products, services, and more. So start with one idea, test it, and build your online store one step at a time. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe, because I'll keep making simple tutorials about websites, AI tools, and online projects without making things complicated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.